What's going on, YouTube? Tom here, and as you can see, it is quite cold today. I'm from Florida. I'm trying to turn the radio off. 52 degrees according to my truck. Yeah, it's pretty cold today, by my standards. So, I'm about to go pick up a friend, and we're gonna go a couple hours away, because we're gonna pick up a new car. Not for me, obviously, it's for him. You can tell by the title, it's not a car I would usually associate with. So yes, it's gonna be one that haters are gonna hate with. It's a turbo Honda. And I'm actually quite excited about this because this car, he found it on Facebook, $2,000, and it's got a built D16 engine with a turbo on it. So, 300 horsepower is what the guy's saying it's got now. And my buddy's already planning on doing some work to it, so I'm not looking forward to this 2-hour drive. But luckily, you all don't have to sit here for 2 hours. So now we're here. Now, what's your channel, by the way?
It's JTV.
JTV?
JAYTV.
All one word?
Yeah.
Going on screen. Check. Want to see this car? That's actually cool. Now you know what you're getting too, and someone's got a YouTube with the car.
And, need spark plugs.
Spark
You can
plugs.
still run it, but when it enters the boost, it sputters a little bit. Still? Yeah, just a little bit. Not like, oh my god.
I was gonna say spark plugs. That's not the worst thing that can happen.
And the spark plug number, I think, is
Message it to me, I'll forget.
yeah, because it's the racing ones.
Yeah, just message it to me.
And another
where
thing,
I can get it.
Advanced Auto Parts. Another thing is a cold start. Give it like 15 minutes to warm up, because it'll run shitty. Because when it's been tuned, it was tuned to like 180 degrees. So at full operating temperature, that's when everything starts working fine.
Okay.
And it might idle a little weird until it warms up.
I was gonna say we were trying to figure out what this thing is. Now,
It's just,
now I see this cold air.
yeah,
Okay.
it just goes put air in it.
We were looking here on
Oh, okay, it forces it.
kind of a semi-ram air. I see what you're talking about here. Yeah, let's go ahead and start her up.
Is that what you're talking about with the
This works. So it
Yeah.
like 170. That's why I said it might.
reaching to fix that? Yeah, I guess I'm not the guy.
I got a buddy back in Tampa. He's a big turbo Honda guy. Back when we were in high school, I had a stock Tacoma, 04, 4-wheel drive. He was like, "Yeah, let's race." I beat him. He was like, "No, my clutch is going out, all this stuff." He's making all the excuses. I'm like, yeah, excuses, man. No, he was the first person I talked to. We were at work, and he's like, "Yeah, this thing, the guy says it needs a retune." Let me text my buddy. Let's see what he says.
Yeah, it just need a retune, like a little cleanup. It already ran at 18.
What?
18 pounds.
18
Made
pounds?
301. A lot of people said I can get more out of it, but I let my friend of mine.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I know you can get more out of that.
If I get it reaching, you think they can push more? Probably like close to like 380.
That's what I was telling you. I know you can get more out of these things.
The world record is 900 on single gear.
This is how you know That's how you know someone's a YouTuber right there.
A transmission? That's really as far as I really want to go with it. 405.
He says this now. Give him a few weeks. And he's at 1,000.
No, I'm not.
Because I was at 3 and I
What?
was at 300 horsepower. And I already got used to it and I wanted more. The transmissions, you can get them cheap too. Just pay me after. Clutch is stable. It's a little hard to understand the install. But when I drove it again, it was like a little. You gotta know what to let go on it.
Alright, can you test drive? Can you take me?
So let's say we gotta do a pull in this thing.
Yeah, but
We were talking about that. It's like we gotta do something with it.
yeah, when I enter,
traffic area.
when I yeah, I don't drive it. I'm gonna just do the pull in the parking lot.
Oh.
When I hit boost, you'll see it's quarter low.
Oh yeah, you can feel that. Gives you a little.
Oh yeah, and you only put 93 on
Oh, it's already 93 tuned, is it?
it. And if you go 85, you can hit more horsepower.
I was telling him I think you should. Once you get to retune, I think you should do 93 tune.
Yeah, it's original 93.
Is it? All right, that actually helps a little bit.
See how it sputtered a little?
Yeah.
I gotta fake it here with a seatbelt.
Yeah, before you turn the car off too, like give it like 2 minutes before you turn it off.
Let it cool down.
Getting this sticker for the Mustang. No tags right here. No horrible exhaust on this one. Yeah, we were worried about that. We're like,
It's
Yeah.
kind of cold today. I was like,
it's kind of cold. Better have heat.
yeah, I know you told me you didn't have AC.
But I know there's a downpipe that goes further around.
Oh, they make one. You gotta find it.
I appreciate all the help, man. Oh, he's gonna enjoy it. It's his car.
Is all the suspension good? Like, so 70 on the highway, that's not gonna like shake or nothing. So. Alright.
Sounds like it.
Just to be on the safe side, when I go like far trips, it's just cool. When I get like real close to my destination, then I'll do cool.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do too much for it.
We'll say not today.
Is it signed and everything?
Yeah, all you gotta do is sign it.
I know Florida, you didn't have to have one.
Yeah, Jersey's the same way.
It's official.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's way different.
So official right here.
Yeah.
On our way home, finally. So, yeah, got the car. And I know there's gonna be some people who are gonna make some nasty comments about it. And I just want to say this for the haters out there. Me, I'm not a Honda guy. Now, I really don't know a whole lot about them. But let's put it this way. That pull probably was faster than it looked on camera. I mean, realistically speaking, it wasn't fast. Like, I didn't feel like really throwing back, but it really was enough to get you going. And you could have some fun with that. That's about as much fun as you can have, and realistically speaking, you're not going to get much of a ticket with that. You probably can hear him. He's in front of me now. As you can see, he's got no tags. I got to follow him home now. Just make sure he doesn't have a tag, so no cops will get in. So anyway, but yeah, that car, and realistically speaking, that car needs some work. Fine, it was one of those classic cases. I knew they were going to do that. The whole, oh yeah, by the way, this is a problem. This needs to be fixed. This, and this. It's like, it's gonna happen. Fine. That's most cars you buy off Facebook or Craigslist. But all in all, the guy came down to $2,000. Originally, it was starting at $3,000. Realistically, $2,000 for something with 300 horsepower, and that's verified 300. It's like he's got the dyno sheet. You showed a video of the dyno pull. That's no fabricated crap. That's 300 wheel horsepower. And so that's actually, in my opinion, a pretty good bargain for that kind of power. $2,000. And realistically, you could buy a Civic and make it that fast. Civics are like Lego pieces when it comes to building them. You can build them fairly cheap. You heard the guy saying you just go on eBay and you get some parts. Now, yeah, realistically, my first thoughts are, no, go a little higher quality than just the eBay off-brand. You used to be going to shop on eBay, shop to get a better deal on the name brand parts. That's what I would do. I mean, when I get my 5.0 Mustang, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm not going to shop around for what can I get the cheapest, because it's not always about how cheap can you make it. But overall, the car felt pretty nice. Yeah, it does need work. It's rough around the edges, but realistically speaking, it's better than a lot of other Hondas around here. I don't know. The guy says that motor itself is worth $3,000. I don't know if I buy that much. I mean, $3,000 maybe to the right buyer, so we'll see. Maybe he'll get $3,000 for that motor, maybe not. I joked with him yesterday about, why don't you K-Series swap it? K-Series being the legendary strong Honda engine that a lot of Honda guys don't know what I'm talking about. I guess to everyone else, it's just 4-cylinder Honda motor, but like I said, that's a built D16 Y8, I think is what we determined it is, because 97 Civic EX Coupe. Overall, I mean, y'all can leave your hate all you want. You know what? I'll put it this way. Y'all leave your hate, do whatever. I'm still getting a Mustang. And I know I'm getting a Mustang, which is equally as much of a hater's car. People hate on that too, so I like to say I'm a car guy, and I like everything. End of the day, that mostly is true. I would have preferred this guy get an Integra, because I always kind of like the Integra. It's a little fun, sporty coupe thing from Honda. But anyway, let me know in the comments below what you all think about this car. Y'all think you made a mistake? Should I have talked my friend out of spending $2,000 on that, or do you think that's money well spent? He says he's going to get 400 out of it. 400 horsepower out of that thing, so time will tell. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. Like I said, 5.0 Mustang coming if y'all want something a little different. I want to do more of a vlog instead of my usual just talking about cars. Let's actually show you some cars. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.